Welcome to this tutorial on A/B testing and traffic splitting in Kubernetes. In this video, we'll explore how to master A/B testing deployments using advanced traffic management techniques. This is a powerful deployment strategy that allows you to test different versions of your application with real users in a controlled manner. A/B testing is a deployment strategy that splits incoming traffic between two or more versions of an application to compare their performance and user behavior. The key principle is running multiple versions simultaneously in your production environment. You can route traffic based on specific criteria like user attributes, headers, or geographic location. This allows you to measure and compare real-world results from actual users, helping you make data-driven decisions about which version performs better. It's important to understand the difference between A/B testing and Canary deployments, as they're often confused. A/B testing uses user-based traffic splitting, where you route specific users to different versions based on defined criteria. It's designed for long-term comparison and feature experimentation. In contrast, Canary deployments use percentage-based traffic splitting, gradually rolling out to more users. Canary is primarily focused on risk mitigation and deployment validation, testing stability rather than features. There are four main methods for splitting traffic in A/B testing. Header-based routing allows you to route traffic based on HTTP headers like user agent or custom headers you define. Cookie-based routing uses cookies to maintain a consistent user experience across sessions, ensuring users see the same version. Weight-based routing splits traffic by percentage between versions, such as 50-50 or 70-30 splits. Finally, geo-based routing directs users based on their geographic location or region, useful for testing features in specific markets. Several tools can help you implement A/B testing in Kubernetes. Istio is a popular service mesh that provides advanced traffic management and sophisticated routing rules. Linkerd is a lightweight service mesh alternative that offers traffic splitting capabilities and strong observability features. NGINX Ingress controller provides annotation-based traffic routing at the ingress level. Flagger is a progressive delivery operator that can automate A/B testing workflows, making the process more efficient and less error-prone. Let's look at the basic deployment setup for A/B testing. You'll create separate deployments for each version of your application. In this example, we have app version A with 3 replicas. The deployment uses standard Kubernetes deployment specifications with API version apps v1. Notice the labels section where we define both the app name and version. These labels are crucial as they'll be used by services and traffic routing rules to distinguish between different versions. Istio's VirtualService resource enables sophisticated traffic routing for A/B testing. In this configuration, we define HTTP match conditions based on headers. The first rule checks if the user type header exactly matches premium. If it does, traffic is routed to version B of the application. All other traffic that doesn't match this condition falls through to the default route, which sends users to version A. This pattern allows you to target specific user segments with different versions. Weight-based traffic splitting distributes traffic proportionally between versions. In this Istio configuration, we define a simple HTTP route with 2 destinations. Version A receives 70% of the traffic, while version B gets 30%. The weights must add up to 100. This approach is useful when you want to gradually expose a new version to users, or when you want to compare versions with unequal traffic distribution to reduce risk. NGINX Ingress controller offers A/B testing through annotations. Set the Canary annotation to true to enable the feature. You can route traffic by header using Canary by header, specifying xTestUser as the header name. The Canary by header value defines that requests with the value beta will be routed to this version. Additionally, Canary weight set to 50 means 50% of remaining traffic will also go to this version. The Ingress spec defines the host and backend service for version 2. Let's conclude with best practices for A/B testing deployments. First, Monitor metrics continuously, tracking performance, errors, and user behavior for both versions. Define clear goals before deployment, establishing success criteria and key performance indicators. Implement session persistence to keep users on the same version throughout their session, preventing confusing experiences. Finally, time box your tests by setting duration limits and automating rollback procedures. This ensures tests don't run indefinitely, and problematic versions can be quickly reverted.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.